Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, today I'm going to solve a very nice question of indices, which is fourth root of 2 into 2 raised to 75%, and we need to simplify this and find the actual value. Okay, so to begin with, what we have to do is, let's write this as what, 2 raised to 1 by 4. See, please understand, in order to solve this, your logic of indices has to be really strong. And 75% can be written as what? 75 upon 100. So this is what, when you cancel, both of them are going in 25 stable. So we are getting 3 raised to 4. So this is what, 2 raised to 3 by 4. Okay, students, if you are liking the way I'm explaining, then please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Also students, after we solve this question, I'm going to put up a DIY which is very similar, so please let me know the answer to that DIY in the comment section. Okay, so now please understand, a raised to m into a raised to n. The law of indices is what? A raised to, we just have to add the index when the bases are same and they are getting multiplied. So here also I can do that, 2 raised to 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. So now understand, the denominators in the index is same, so I can just add 1 plus 3. So the answer is 2 raised to 4 upon 4. The final answer to this one is 2. Okay, so now coming to the point of your DIY, do let me know the answer for this one. Root of 2 multiplied by 2 raised to 50%. Do let me know your answers in the comment section, and don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe to my channel.